What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and we are bringing you another track day, or another attempt at a track day. I am driving Dan's Cobra currently. He is on his Ruckus behind us. I think you guys have not seen the build video on that yet. It's kind of in the queue waiting to come in when we have nothing else to post. But anyway, he's riding the Ruckus behind us, and Tramp is in front of us, the red car. And we made some changes to the Tramp and Dan's car, so we're going to try to see if either one of them is an attempt at going any faster. Dan's car should definitely see some mile-an-hour improvement today. Main difference on that is that we found the blow-off valve was hanging open, which can cause not only a loss of boost pressure, but it can also increase the amount of energy it takes to drive the blower. So we are hoping to see some improvement come from that. Otherwise, Dan's car has 150-pound rear springs in it, or 350-pound rear springs in it, I'm sorry. In an attempt to try to get it to stop squatting so hard. We had the compression cranked up so high on this thing last time, trying to get it to stop squatting and stop weight transferring so well, because it doesn't have enough power to spin the tire through it. So that's the main change that's going on with his. My head's gotta block the sun. So anyway, we are on our way. We are en route. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can get a couple tenths off the red car and both cars, really. Hopefully get a couple tenths off both cars. Dan's gonna practice launching without breaking half shafts, and I'm gonna see if I can get Dad's car to go faster than a 10.5.
Hey, do you have any zip ties in that bag?
No. Oh, it broke again?
Yeah, the headlight's about to fall off. I don't know what to do with that.
Need a bracing, huh?
Huh?
Need more bracing.
I don't have anything to wrap this though.
That cutters.
Go ahead.
Well, it's been a crazy week at the shop as well, as you guys will see in the upcoming videos. We have to change the spark plugs on the red car right away. We're gonna put 8 fresh plugs in it. We got a bunch of spares for tuning, so I'll try to get that thing dialed in. And it's making about 5-6 more pounds of boost on the street, so we should see a pretty good improvement in mile an hour. And we also found that our tire pressure gauge that we've been using, and I've been using it since I was a small kid. I mean, the thing is probably twice my age, but we finally checked its accuracy, and it was way off. I mean, it was like 3 to 6 pounds off depending on the pressure in the tire, which means that when we thought we were running 13 pounds of tire pressure, we were running like 10. And at one point we got the car really loose off the line, because we aired them down to like 11.5 or 12, and it was really probably sitting at like 8.5 or 9. So no wonder why it was kind of swirly and kind of falling onto the tire. So we're gonna get that dialed back in. So we kind of have to relearn, really, because we don't know what the tire pressure is that we were running. We were probably sitting around 11 the whole time, and then dropped it down below 10, and that started giving us problems, and that's why the car was getting all loose. We'll see what we learned today.
adjust that red light. Fucking shift light's way too low now. But that was a hell of a lot better than the last one.